Introducing Calachuchi, Plumeria acuminata of the family Apocynaceae. Calachuchi is a small tree or low shrub. The leaves grow at the tips of its branches. It has a long history of use in traditional medicine, including the treatment of rheumatism, pruritic skin lesions, toothache, asthma, cracks on the feet, heart stroke, dysentery, and diarrhea. Calachuchi is widely used to manufacture soaps, perfumes, and essential oil blends. In fact, a recent study estimated that the Calachuchi extract market will grow to 56 million US dollars by 2032. This comes as Calachuchi's anti-inflammatory properties, rich antioxidants, and calming scent make it a popular choice in cosmetic, aromatherapy, and household products.